Good afternoon, students. So good afternoon all of you. So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, and myself Dr. Rajendra Prasad, biology educator on Unacademy platform. So I have been teaching biology to EAMCET and medical entrance examinations from last 13 years. So daily on Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So at 4 p.m. we'll be having the biology class. So what I suggest you is I suggest you to subscribe the channel. So there is a bell icon. So if you subscribe, the bell will be shown. So subscribe the channel so that you will get the details about the timings of the classes. So every day we'll be having mathematics, physics, chemistry and biology classes. So you will come to know about the timings of all these classes if you subscribe the channel, students. So let us see about the EAMCET 2020 question paper in this today's class. So previous class also I will be discussing the same thing, and another part 3 in today's class will be discussing about the this particular question paper of part 3 in this particular class. So before starting, as usual, I would like to introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So Unacademy is providing free live classes every day. So Unacademy is providing the free live classes every day on its Unacademy Plus channel. On its Plus channel, it is providing the paid classes, that is called Unacademy Plus subscription, students. So let us see about Unacademy Plus subscription in this class first before starting the class. So good evening, students. So good evening all of you. So good evening, Chetana. So welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. So Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel, students. So in this class today I will be discussing the few questions regarding the EAMCET paper that was conducted in the last month. So before that I would like to introduce about our Unacademy Plus subscription. So there are several benefits in choosing Unacademy Plus subscription, students, for students who are preparing for next year medical entrance examination. So what is this Unacademy Plus subscription is? So there are several benefits. So what are the benefits of Unacademy Plus subscription is a premium content. So premium content will be available at affordable price. So premium content will be available at affordable price. A structured live courses and dedicated live doubt clearing sessions will be conducted. Means after every 3 theory classes, 4th class will be a live doubt clearing session. So certainly will benefit for you. And quizzes also will be conducted at regular intervals, and batches for complete preparation also started. So you can choose the batch which you are interested. Then a test series. So test series and a daily practice papers are also provided, students, and full length mock tests and etc. So these all you can get for single subscription. So it is of 2,250 rupees actually the trial price. So there is a batch that was started for the AP, Telangana as well as Andhra students, that is Telugu batch. The teaching will be totally in Telugu actually. So physics sir and chemistry sir, mathematics and biology sir, so they will be teaching the subject totally in the Telugu, students. So you can join this batch. So if you are interested, you can use my code RAJENDRALIVE so that you can get the trial price of 2,250 rupees if you use my code and purchase 1 month trial course of 2,250 rupees. You can just go to this Telugu batch. So what is importance of this plus course is, so a detailed explanation in Telugu language. So what is importance of this, especially Telugu batch, is this main purpose is for students who are preparing for EAMCET 2021, and the classes will be taught in Telugu. That is the plus point of this particular batch, and a complete syllabus will be covered, and tips and tricks will be given by the educator, students. This batch also recently started, that is in 12th October they have started this batch. So students from the AP and Telangana who are interested, so can use my code RAJENDRALIVE and get this 1 month trial plan of 2,250 rupees, students. So welcome to few more students. Welcome to Priyanka. So welcome to Unacademy EAMCET YouTube channel. So subscribe our channel so that you can get the details about the timings of our classes. So apart from that, so there is a comprehensive batch. There is a comprehensive batch for 2021 students who are preparing for 2021 medical entrance examination. So in that comprehensive batch, I will be taking the biology classes, and sir will be taking the physics class, and sir will be taking the chemistry classes. What is importance of this comprehensive batches? Complete syllabus will be covered, tips and tricks will be given by educators, and topic wise question papers will be made available, and full and mock tests will be given students. So this is all you can get. For if you are interested, you can take 1 month plan of 2,250 rupees, and if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE, so if you use my code RAJENDRALIVE, so that you can get the course for 2,250 rupees. So apart from this 1 month plans, Unacademy is providing 6 months plan. This is the best plan. So 6 months plan and 12 months plan. So 6 months plan is costing about 10,125 rupees students, and 12 months plan is of costing about 12,375 rupees. So it is a very less amount than compared to the any other plans in any other platform. So certainly it is benefit for you students, and we have a very good educators. Certainly it will benefit for you. So same like a plus subscription benefits like premium content will be available at affordable price, live doubt clean sessions will be available, so quizzes and test series all will be available students. So I suggest you to take 6 months plan or 12 months plan. It is of very less amount. So we have more than 20 educators on our platform, so that you will get benefit from these lecturers certainly. So I suggest you to take that plan. So in this class, so what I am going to do in this class is I will be discussing the few multiple choice questions in this particular class, which was given, that is of question paper of the EAMCET question paper. So in plus class, I am taking human physiology in plus classes. If you are interested, you subscribe the plus classes and join the human physiology classes students. On special classes, I am taking the 11th class topics, so morphology and flowering plants. So you can also join those classes. So you can, that is the reason. So I suggest you to prefer the Unacademy plus classes students, so you can get the better preparation. So that's what I suggest you. So below this, there is a link is also given. So if you want the link for special classes and plus classes, so you can go to you can check the description box on our this particular class. Description box will be there, that you just go to that description box. In that my profile will be available, so you can click that link to join the plus classes as well as the special classes. So that is about our Unacademy plus classes students. So let us go in detail about our multiple choice questions, okay, after of the EAMCET 2020. So before that, once again, good evening students. So good evening Ashwadama. So yes, so good evening. So I am good, so I hope you are also good, doing well. So let us continue with the multiple choice questions. So let us see the first question. So stratification. So stratification is well developed. Stratification, okay. So stratification is well developed in which areas? That's what, which geographical areas? If you see these geographical areas, grasslands, temperate forest, say alpine vegetation, and tropical rainforest. So actually here, so no doubt stratification is well developed in the tropical forest. So what is this stratification means? It is nothing but it is the arrangement of layers. So it is the arrangement of layers. It is the arrangement of the layers. So what is arranged in layers actually? If you see in tropical rainforest, so tropical rainforest has, first point you have to remember, it is having the high diversity. So it is having the high diversity of organisms, means it is having the high diversity of plants. It is also having high diversity of animals. So that is the reason stratification, chance for stratification occurs. So tropical rainforest, actually what is the benefit of tropical rainforest is it receives enough amount of rainfall. Not only enough amount actually, so more than enough amount of rainfall it actually receives. So because of when there is more amount of rainfall, then what happens? More plants will grow, more insects will develop, at the same time more animals undergo breeding and they will have enough amount of food, so they start breeding and produce, they increase the population. So like that what happens is in tropical rainforest you have herbs, so you have shrubs, and as well as tall trees. So herbs, they are touching the ground, and the length of the shrubs will be little bit more higher than the length of the herbs. So if you see these shrubs, the length of the shrubs are more than the herbs, and tall trees, they are no doubt they are taller. So like that, they form stratification. So they form layers. That process is called as a stratification. So stratification is observed in tropical rainforest actually. So stratification is generally observed in the rainforest. Okay. So very good, Chetana. So no doubt that stratification is observed in the rainforest. So Ashwadama, I am not a mathematics student. How can you ask me mathematics question? So after this class, we also, I think 7:30 we have mathematics class. So you can ask mathematics doubts. Okay. So let us see the next question. So identify the correct matchings. Let us see the correct matchings. So sweat glands. So sweat glands, if you see sweat glands. So sweat glands, so they are also eliminate urea, no doubt about it, but very least amount. So very least amount of urea also be eliminated. So at the same time, and also sweat glands also have the, no doubt they also have a sodium chloride, and it's very small amount of lactic acid also. So this, the first statement is no doubt it is correct. Sweat glands contain it eliminates urea, but in least amount, as well as sodium chloride ions also. Yes, that is also true, and small amount of lactic acid also. Statement A is correct. So if you see statement B, so sebaceous glands. So sebaceous glands. So these are the accessory. So these are the accessory excretory organs actually. So main excretory organ is no doubt kidneys. So the main excretory organ is kidney, no doubt about it. Apart from kidney, so additional excretory organs. So additional excretory organs are called as accessory organs. So sweat glands, sebaceous glands, lungs and liver, these all are additional excretory organs actually. So what is sebaceous gland is doing? It is also eliminating sterols, so hydrocarbons and waxes through sebum. So this is also correct. So if you remember some people when they are in their teenage, so on their skin there is formation of pimples. So that pimples is because of excess secretion of the sebaceous glands. So that pimples, in that pimple you will be having these contents like sterols, you will be having hydrocarbons and waxes actually. So that darkens our skin after that. So that sebaceous gland secretion is very high, especially in the teenage people actually. Okay. Next. So let us see the option C. So that is the reason. So statement B is also correct. So in lungs, if you see in lungs, so lungs remove large amount of carbon dioxide, no doubt it is also true. The lungs are the accessory organs. So they also release carbon dioxide. How much amount they release is? So they release nearly 18 liters per day, and also a significant amount of water. So certainly a significant amount of water. Next. So for in liver, so what happens? So the statement is also true. Option C is also true. Then in case of liver, so the liver, what happens? It also eliminates the steroid waste, no doubt about it. The liver main purpose, it also degrades. So it also degrades the steroid products, no doubt about it, and vitamins and as well as drugs. So all statements are correct. So all of these will be the answer actually in this case. So like that, so all 4 statements are correct, no doubt about it. But what is important thing which we have to remember here is, so these sweat glands, sebaceous glands, lungs and liver, these all are the additional, okay, these are the accessories. So these are the accessory excretory organs actually. So let us see the next question. So identify the correct statement. Let us see the next question. So let us see the statement wise. So statement A, if you see, so question is asking to identify the correct statement. Question is asking to identify the correct statement. Okay. So visceral organs are located in the hemocoel and bathed in the hemolymph. So this statement is correct, no doubt about it, with respect to cockroach. So this question is asking. So visceral organs are located in the hemocoel and it is bathed in the hemolymph. So the statement is true, no doubt. Then what is this hemolymph? Hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. So this is also correct. Then the respiratory system consists of network of trachea and it has 10 pairs. So 10 pair of spiracles. So now no doubt that is also true. So statement A is correct, statement B is correct. So statement C is also correct. Then if you see the statement 4, heart of the cockroach consists of elongated muscular tube lying in the mid-ventral line of the thorax and abdomen. So this statement is also correct. So no doubt. So all the statements are correct, students. So no doubt about it, all the statements are correct. So Aswadama is asking one question. So 6th class students, can he crack EAMCET? So what I suggested, I don't suggest 6th class student to prepare for EAMCET because he is still in a very early days. He don't know the minimum basics also, he will be not knowing. No need to prepare for EAMCET from 6th standard. So only intermediate first year, if you prepare for EAMCET, it's enough. If you want to prepare for civils, then ask him to prepare right from the 6th class. So that is my suggestion, Asudama. So very good, you attend my class and doing some entertainment. So no doubt about it. Okay, so let us move to the next question. So asthma. So question is about asthma. So asthma is caused due to. So asthma is caused due to which type of infection? That is a question. So asthma is caused due to. So that is a question. So asthma is no doubt it is a respiratory infection. No doubt about it. It is a respiratory infection. So that infection is because of the fluids secreted. So that is due to the inflammation in the bronchi. Inflammation in the bronchi and bronchioles. So whenever there is inflammation, so inflammation in the bronchi and bronchioles, what happens is, so that leads to the secretion of some fluid. So that leads to asthma actually. Okay. So asthma is caused because of the inflammation of the bronchi and bronchioles. So if you see the statement 1, infection of streptococcus pneumonias, it causes pneumonia disease, that is called disease called pneumonia to the lungs, no doubt about it. Okay. Next question. Which of the following epitheliums, which of the following epithelium is found in the walls of the blood vessels? Which of the found in the following blood vessels? So which of the following epithelium will be found in the walls of the blood vessels and air sacs of the lungs, and are also involved in functions like forming a diffusion boundary? So which are the following epithelium? So question is asking about which of the following epithelium is found in the walls of the blood vessels. Which of the following epithelium is found in the walls of the blood vessels? Then no doubt the epithelium, that is no doubt it is the walls of the blood vessels have a specific epithelium that is called as a squamous epithelium. So squamous epithelium is lined, so the blood vessels are lined by squamous epithelium. So you can see cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium is lined in proximal convoluted tubule. So in proximal convoluted tubule, so cuboidal epithelium is present in proximal convoluted tubule. So no doubt about it. Next, identify the wrong matching. So question is asking to identify the wrong matching. Okay. So let us see the identify the wrong matching. So let us see from the option D first. So tight junction. So tight junction, what is the main function of tight junction? So tight junction help to stop the substance from leakaging across the tissue. No doubt about it. This is a right statement. The main purpose of the tight junction, is to stop the substance from leaking across the tissue. So that is a right statement. So tight junction main purpose is stop the substance from leaking. So that is the right statement. So statement D is correct. Then if you see the statement C, exocrine glands. So exocrine glands secrete mucus, saliva, ear wax, oil, milk, digestive enzymes. So this is also a right statement, no doubt about it. Then salivary glands. So salivary glands are no doubt they are multicellular glands. There are 4 different types of salivary glands are present, no doubt about it, and all are multicellular. Then if with respect to globular cells, globular is not a unicellular gland, it is also a multicellular gland, no doubt about it. Then it produces, globular cells actually secrete mucus, it secretes mucus actually, that is the main function of globular cells. So that is the reason globular cells, that is a wrong matching actually. So that is the reason. So option A will be our answer according to this question. Next, let us go to next question. Identify the incorrectly matched scientist. Identify the incorrect matched scientist. So if you see the first statement, so term biotechnology. So term biotechnology. If you see term biotechnology, so term biotechnology was given by Carl Iricky. So Carl Iricky is a person who has given the term biotechnology. So now this is a, no doubt it is a correct statement. No doubt it is a correct statement. Next, plasmid was discovered by. So no doubt plasmid was first discovered by Liderberg and Hayes. No doubt this is also a correct statement. This is also a correct statement. Then ligase. So ligase was discovered by. So ligase was discovered by Merritt and Davis. So this is also a correct statement, no doubt about it. Then DNA fingerprinting. So DNA fingerprinting was first discovered by Alec Jeffrey. So Alec Jeffrey is the scientist who has discovered the first given the DNA finger. So that is the reason option 4 will be a wrong, incorrectly matched one. Then let us see the fifth statement. So tissue culture, no doubt tissue culture was given by Haberland, that is also right statement. Then somatic gene therapy was actually given by Anderson. So somatic gene therapy was given by French Anderson. So somatic gene therapy was given by French Anderson. So that is the reason. Sixth statement is also wrong. So based on that, so two statements are incorrectly matched. What are the two statements is? So two statements are nothing but option 4 and 6 are the incorrect statements. Okay. Then, so Aswadama, you are asking me so many questions. So if you want to become a train driver, so there is one course. You can do diploma. So you can do diploma after intermediate, and you can join loco pilot course. If you join loco pilot course, you can, they will give you training how to means drive the train actually. So loco pilot it is called as a. So you can choose that course after your +2. After intermediate tarvata na course తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఓకే, సో లోకో పైలట్. ఓకే, ఇంకా నువ్వు అడిగేది ఏంటి? సో యూ క్యాన్ బికమ్, సో సివిల్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ఎప్పటి నుంచి నువ్వు ప్రిపేర్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా నువ్వు సక్సెస్ఫుల్ అవుతావు. ఓకే, సో నువ్వు ప్రిపేర్ అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా సైన్స్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, సో your sister got 601 rank. You are telling your sister got 601 rank. So 601 rank. Okay, it's a good rank. She may get in Andhra University. So she can join at Andhra University. Okay. Next question. So BT cotton. So BT cotton means cotton that is, it is a, no doubt it is produced through recombinant DNA technology. So that is called from the Bacillus thuringiensis. So Bacillus thuringiensis gene is present inside this cotton. So that's why it is called as a BT cotton. So BT cotton is resistant to specific worms. Those are called as a bollworms. So BT cotton contains a toxin. So no doubt BT cotton contains a toxin. Okay. So it contains toxin. So the toxin is present in the form of a cry gene. There is one specific gene is present inside this cotton plant. The name of the gene is called as a cry gene. Okay. So that cry gene is, what happens, that cry gene gets activated and it will release the toxin. That cry gene will get activated in the gut of the insects of the bollworm, and it will release the toxin and it will kill the bollworm. So BT cotton is resistant to the bollworms actually. So that is the answer. Next question. Nervous tissues. So nervous tissue is derived from which part? That is a question. Nervous tissue is derived from which part? So nervous tissue is derived from, no doubt it is derived from the ectoderm. So nervous tissue is derived from the ectoderm. It is derived from the ectoderm. So it is a part of the ectoderm. So we have three germinal layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. So from these layers, so from ectoderm, so nervous tissue is originated or derived from the ectoderm. Okay, so that is the reason answer is ectoderm. Next, so identify the incorrectly matched hormone. So identify the incorrectly matched hormone. So prolactin. So if you see prolactin, so prolactin, So what prolactin is doing, it stimulates the formation of milk in the mammary glands. So no doubt this statement is correct. Prolactin main function is to stimulate the milk in the mammary glands. That is a correct statement. Then thyroid stimulating hormone. So it stimulates and synthesizes the secretion of thyroid hormone. So no doubt it also stimulates and secretes synthesis of thyroid hormone from thyroid gland. So this is also right statement, no doubt about it. Then adrenocortical tropic hormone. So adrenocortical tropic hormone, that is called ACTH. It stimulates the synthesis and secretion of hormone from adrenal cortex. Actually it is not medulla. So adrenal cortex, particularly cortisol actually. Okay, so that is, it is given as medulla. So that is the reason statement, this is the incorrect statement actually. So that would be the incorrect actually. Okay, then there is one more, that is called melanocyte stimulating hormone. Melanocyte stimulating hormone. So it acts on melanocytes and regulate the pigmentation of the skin. So melanocytes hormone, what happens, it acts on the melanocytes and regulates the pigmentation of the skin. So that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. So finally, so which is the incorrectly matched if you see? So statement C is incorrectly matched. Next, female AB is crossed with, so if you see the female AB, so female AB is crossed. So female AB is crossed with AA, BB. So question is asking to find out the gametes. So what gametes? So if you see in this case, so this is one combination, this is another combination, and this is another combination and another combination. So you will get 4 gametes here. AB, AB, so these are the 4 gametes. You will be getting 4 gametes. Okay, so here you will be having only 2, here only 1 gamete. Okay, so how many? 4. So this is female, right? This is female. So you check here. So AB, here AB is present, then AB, no. So where is AB? AB, here I think it is there. AB, AB, yes. So yes, this will be our answer. This part will be our answer. So male is AB. So right. So this will be our answer actually. Okay. Next question. So in a population of 800 individuals in F2 generation. So if you see the F2 generation, what is the ratio of F2 generation? 9:. This is the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio of dihybrid cross. Okay. So if you count this all together will be 16. So how many total individuals he is telling? The number of individuals he is having is 800. So you are having 16. So 16 by 800. If you 16 by 800. Okay. So into 100, 800, just a minute. So 800 by 16 you take, then what will be answer? 16 5s, so 50. Okay, so like that. So 800 individuals. Okay, one member is equal to 60, 50. So 50 into 9 is to 50 into 3 is to 50 into 3 is to 1 into 50. So 5 9s 45, 450 is to 150 is to 150 is to 50. So now this is the ratio for 800 individuals. What I have done is for 800 individuals, This is the ratio. This ratio is for 16 individuals. Now question is asking about 800 individuals. Now let us see what are the parents. The parents are, so parents are yellow round into green wrinkle. So if you see clearly, 450 member, 450 are they are yellow round, so that will be, so those will be yellow round actually, if you remember. Okay, then 150 will be yellow wrinkled, then another 150 green round, 50 will be green wrinkle. See how I have done is, we have to remember the dihybrid cross previously which we have done. Okay, so based on that, so question is asking to find out what is the number of yellow and wrinkled seed. Question is asking to find out number of yellow and wrinkled seed. So welcome to few more students. So good evening students. So based on that we have to, so question is asking yellow wrinkled seed. So where is yellow wrinkled? Now this part is yellow wrinkled. So according to that our answer will be 150. So that is our answer. So this question, your answer will be 150. So in dihybrid cross we have got 16 plants or 16 individuals. This question is asking about 800 individuals. So first we have to convert that 16 individuals into 800 individuals. So here that's what I have done here. I have converted 16 individuals into 800 individuals. How I have converted is 800 by 16 we got 50. So that's a 50 into 9. So like that I have done. So 50 into 3, 50 into 3, 50 into 1. So this is the ratio for 800 individuals. So 450 is to 150 is to 150 is to 50. Now according to dihybrid cross, if you remember, so yellow wrinkle. So yellow wrinkle will be 150. So like that you have to remember that. Okay. So there is one more question. Let us see. Largest ecosystem of the world. Which is the largest ecosystem of the world is? Oceans are the largest ecosystem of the world, students. You have to remember that. Oceans are the largest ecosystems of the world. Then Vidal test. So Vidal test is, the main function of Vidal test is to confirm the typhoid. So to mainly identify the typhoid test, Vidal test is done. Okay. So question you see, this is another question, is asking to identify the number type of gametes. How many different types of gametes are produced with the genotype AA, BB. So this is the given genotype AA, BB and capital C and small c. So there is one formula is there. So number of gametes. So number of gametes is equal to 2 power n. So what is n here? Number of heterozygous conditions. So by using this formula we have to do this type of numerical. So number of heterozygous conditions in the given genotype. So this is the genotype. So what is the given genotype? So capital A, small a, this is heterozygous. Capital B, small c, homozygous. Capital B homozygous. Capital C, small c, heterozygous. So two heterozygous conditions are there here. So according to our formula, number of gametes. So number of gametes is equal to number of heterozygous conditions are 2. You can see here this is one heterozygous condition. Why it is called heterozygous condition? Capital A, small a. Capital C, small c. So 2 power 2. So that is equal to 4. So 4 will be our answer. So number of different types of gametes produced by the organism of genotype AA, BB and CC. For this type of genotype, you have to identify, you have to use this formula, number of heterozygous conditions. If you use this formula, so number of gametes is equal to 2 power n, where n is the number of heterozygous conditions. So 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So this is how we have to do, students. So every day, so at 4 p.m. we will be having the biology class. A short discussion will be there, students, for 30 minutes. So small short topic I will be discussing for 30 minutes only. So try to join every day at 4 p.m. Biology class will be there. Then on our special class, it is of 1 hour. You can join this special class. You can go to the link that is given in the description box. So you click the link and join this special class, that will be for 1 hour. So on special class I am taking on the topic that is morphology of flowering plants. On plus classes, you can join plus classes also. On plus class I am taking human physiology. So you can, if you are interested, you can subscribe our plus course and join the plus course students. So thank you. That is for today's class. So see you in the next class students.